Custom Art Framer is sophisticated yet surprisingly simple to use point of sale pricing and visualization software for the custom picture framing industry. With this program you can simply capture your customers' artwork they bring in to get framed, and when I'm using mine I do this by using my webcam, or you can use the program to upsell your stock prints and show your customers how they'll look if they were framed. And in this demonstration I'll use one of my stocked prints, a print by Mark Norval called Jundamurra. So I'll select the print, put it into the workspace, and you can see over here the width and dimension and height is already selected. That's the size of this print. And already if we click on report, you can see that there's the retail price of this print to the customer at $50. Now as I move along and add mats and mouldings to this project, the program is pricing as it goes. So I've added an antique white mat as a starting point, and now I'm going to add some mouldings, and I like this combination of Larson Jewel mouldings. First of all, I'll put on this very thin black and gold one, and now I'm going to select the bigger gold to go on the outside. Now the program is asking me, do I want to replace that moulding or put it after the marker, and if I select after the marker then I'll get the combination of the two, which I really like. Now if I go back to the matte screen, by resting the cursor on the different colour matte, it'll show the customer what that will look like with that colour matte. So there's the russet. This is how it looked like with lapis. Or I can show the customer how it looked with a second matte, and I'll choose lapis as the second matte. And very simply and quickly we can show the customer how a double matte would look great. Now I'll move on to details, and I'm going to add details like glass. And as you can see, as we're adding details, material and labour, it's adding price to the project. So I'll just put this on an Art Care backing board, and it'll take me about 1 hour to do, so I'll put an hourly rate of 1 hour. You can pre-select your hourly rate to whatever amount you want. I choose $75 an hour. And at this stage the project is pretty much finished. If we look at the report, we can see this will cost out my customer $465 altogether. That's the retail cost of the print plus the framing. Now here's the really sexy part about this program. If you want to show your customer how it would look on their coloured back wall, they may have a dark red wall it's going to go on, so we can choose the dark red, and there it is there. Or the customer might want to know what it would look like above their bed, so we can choose a scene, a bedroom scene, and there's a bedroom scene. Simply click place on wall, and there's our work above their bed, and I can reposition that picture to anywhere I like. And you can add house scenes and wall scenes to this database. So there you have it, a very simple, easy to use point of sale program that will help you upsell your framing to your customers. Please check it out on our website www.artframer.com.au, where you can download a free 30-day trial. Thanks for listening.